Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be working with Adobe Edge Animate and create a new project. Here is an Adobe Edge folder that I have created on my desktop. You can create it wherever you want. Now we will open up Adobe Edge Animate. Depending upon your memory, it may take some time. So this was the older screen, the splash screen that we have seen in the previous tutorial. Here we'll go and click on create new, and this is the interface we have talked about in our previous chapter. Well, in properties you can see Adobe Edge has automatically set the stage width and height to 550 by 400, and as you can see these measures are in pixel unit. You can always change these unit to percentage from pixel. Now to change it in percentage is very important when you are working with a project that includes and allows multiple sizes of browser. For now we will let it be, and this is our staging area. In this tutorial we won't do anything much. We will simply go to file and save it. It will ask for the location. We have selected that folder Edge. Inside that we will create a new folder. We will call it project, and we'll save this with project and click save. Now as we move to this project, you can see there are several files. This is the Edge Animate file, which is having .an extension. This is our produced HTML file which was in our stage, and these are some JavaScripts, one preload file and one action file. And also there is an Edge includes folder. Inside that we have jQuery, jQuery easing, the Edge framework, and a JSON. And all these includes in our HTML and creates that animation effect. From the very next tutorial we will go ahead and create something to learn more about Adobe Edge. Thank you.